Welcome back, YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the key point of where's the money. As I mentioned in a few videos, I said that this is looking like a bull trap, and you're probably going to start seeing media saying that we've bottomed out and that all things are all well from here. And that seems to be the case going forward. And I want to bring up the point to discuss where did the money actually go? If we look at the trillions of dollars that has left the crypto market, the stock market, we look at the changing environment for the real estate sector. We see the rates going up. We see people reducing the prices of their homes to hurry up and get rid of them. We see the inventory rising. This is all giving indications on the macro scale of what the market is looking like and what's actually to come. So when you think of, as an investor, what should you do or where should you be? The question is, now that you know where the money is, you know that it's being vacuumed out, you know that they're not re-injecting it, they're not putting it in crypto, they're not putting it in the stock market, they aren't putting it in the real estate sector. So you know that they're getting cash heavy. As an investor, you kind of have to evaluate that and say, okay, well, they're allowing themselves to have options. So do I want to be in that same situation? Do I want to have the options, or do I want to position myself in the assets that I'm bullish on to kind of set myself up for the next cycle? That is a personal choice, but do not negate the facts here that they are simply getting cash heavy and are not showing any bullish actions on any of the asset classes right now. Just looking at the numbers here, we see that around 555,000 Bitcoins exchanged between the $18,000 mark and the 23,000 mark. And we also saw, this is a great indicator right here, 178,000 Bitcoins liquidated from the long term. That liquidated from the long term typically means that they're selling at a loss. That is massive fear circling in the market when people start selling at a loss here, and they're saying that, okay, well, I don't know what's going on. I don't know how long this is going to last. I want the cash. So this is them preferring to say, okay, well, short term, I'm going to be better off with my cash than me holding this position to be bullish at. As we went over yesterday in the video and went over the credit card rates, the rent ratio to homes, the mortgage rates, we went over all the macros yesterday. This is indicating that there is something big on the way. That's why I always say follow the money and look at what the house is doing and prepare yourself and to see if you're able to kind of mirror that. Because while they may be saying one thing in the media, if you take a deeper look in the macros, you'll see that the actions are not exactly aligning with that, where they're trying to put you. Remember, they're always putting the retail sector on the opposite from what they're doing. They tell the retail sector and diversify and invest for the long term. Meanwhile, they short the hell out of the market. They're on the opposite side at all times. So just kind of keep that in mind when you're seeing this propaganda get pushed out. What I'm looking for this week is the inventory rising in real estate, and also for Bitcoin to retest some of those support levels. This is going to give us a great indicator as we close out the month of June. That's your market update for today. I appreciate all of you. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.